All right, Bigfoot is very happy right about now. We're taking a cruise through the Santa Cruz mountains. There's a Honda Element right ahead of me, actually. And God, look at this. Look how beautiful this drive is. As we're heading from the San Francisco Bay Area over the Santa Cruz mountains to Santa Cruz. Okay, now I've had my Honda Element for about a year now, and there has not been a Honda Element meetup in my area, at least that I've seen, since I started following all the Instagram, you know, Honda Element channels and whatnot. So we're heading out to Santa Cruz, California. Very well known for the boardwalk, very well known for the Lost Boys, the filming locations for Lost Boys and Jordan Peele's Us. Those were both filmed there, and yeah, so we're gonna head out there to Santa Cruz and do a little Honda Element meetup. They're normally, like, I see them in the Pacific Northwest or Oregon or like Southern California, but never here in like the San Francisco Bay Area. Kind of where, you know, where Santa Cruz, I guess it technically is part of the Bay Area. So yeah, so there's a Honda Element right ahead of me. I assume he's going to the same meetup, and it should be a fun day. All right, so we're kind of almost to the meetup spot, but if you see behind me, there's a little caravan of elements already forming in line as we're driving there, so pretty cool.
That's literally got to be like one of my next upgrades.
So guys, I'm here with Herb. I just met up with him. I've actually seen him on YouTube, just followed him on Instagram. So he's dat_Honda_Element on Instagram. He also has the YouTube channel as well, so I've seen him before. But he has the DJI Osmo Pocket as well. And here's his little puppy. Let's turn the camera around. Look at that.
What's up, pup? I know, I'm sorry.
There's Hades. Hades has been crawling under the car like, Dad, where are you at? Dad, where are you at?
What's up, puppers? What's up, pups?
Super cute dog. But this is Herb's Element right here.
2003 Honda Element.
Beautiful. Now, what do you got in the water pipe over here? What is that?
Yeah, so right before I left my old job, they let me grab basically whatever I wanted. And I worked at a piping place. And so I just grabbed some 4-inch PVC pipe with a cap, a T, and then a Y strainer with another smaller cap to a 3-inch
nice
outlet.
And that's a water system, huh?
Yep.
Dang!
Water.
Oh, you ain't got to turn on. You're good. Save that water. Okay, release the pressure, right? And then the water come on. Ah, gotcha.
You could actually pressurize it and
nice.
stuff, so I got a stator valve on there.
See, now a lot of the West Folly people will do this as well, but they'll also use that to hold their fishing poles. They'll just put a pipe up there. So.
Yeah, that's smart. I got my fishing pole like in a bag right up there.
Nice, man. So. Very cool. And you live down here in the South Bay too, right?
Yeah.
Herb's San Jose area and kind of living in the Santa Cruz area. You just told me about a couple spots I can try to boondock tonight, so that's gonna be nice. You got the drone ready. Oh, look at that. There's a little slip right there. Oh, hi, Hades.
Hey.
I see you right there. I see you. All the stuff. Look at that. Very cool, guys.
Feel free to get in there. Check it out.
Yeah, for sure. Comfortable to sleep in, huh?
Oh, 100%.
Nice.
Don't tackle him, pup.
Now, how'd you get the black headliner? Did you do that yourself?
I got Rit dye and I did it myself.
No way.
Yep.
Dang.
Yeah, Rit dye just under there with basically one of these guys.
Okay.
I was just dipping it and then.
That's awesome.
Took a little while.
I love that.
But got it all
Okay, very cool. All right, so it is a beautiful afternoon out here. I can't tell you the last time I was in Santa Cruz and it was beautiful weather like this. I mean, there is no breeze. It is sun, which is very rare for Santa Cruz. And we got some cars already here. It's about 12:30, supposed to start at 1, so we have more coming in. And yeah, we'll do a little cruise around, and I've already met a bunch of folks. Everybody's super nice here.
Can we color coordinate everything? I got that OCD.
We got some really cool ones. There's a cool camper coming up right here, right next to me. So yeah, we'll do a little tour of that one in a little bit. But I'm all set up in here, and yeah, it looks pretty, guys. It looks so pretty. Got my Coleman, my vintage Coleman, all set up with my foods. So. Everything's on ice. This is all the dry food over here in this little basket compartment thing. Got the skateboard all hooked up there. And a little seating area in the shade. And then just everything kind of looking really pretty back here. Ready to go. Lots of compliments already. And I'm you know, it's nice. It's nice to get compliments when you have some little weird idea and it works out cool, you know? All right, we're gonna do a little walk around now, guys. This is pretty full parking lot here now. We waited a little bit, let all the cars get here, and looks cool. So this guy, actually a bunch of these cars right here, these three and then a couple other people, they all came up here from Socal, and they camped out overnight along the Pacific Coast Highway, nearest, you know, kind of Big Sur area, kind of. So they got here a little bit ago, all set up. Let's take a little cruise around. Let's just do a little walk. Met a bunch of people already. Everybody is fantastic here, guys. I mean, these people are just as nice as the Volkswagen community. Very, very kind people all the way around. We got elements everywhere. This gentleman right here was following me up here. That's who was behind me on the way up here. In the rearview mirror shot we got earlier. Got a cool lift on that one. Look at that one, the green one. Like a 4-inch lift, probably 3-inch lift. I'm sorry, on that one. Got all the rust. I forget what the color is on this one, but there's a lot. Look at that. 1, 2. There's 7 just along here. 8, 9 of the rust color. I don't know what color it is. Like a sunset rust orange. It's pretty. I like it. There's another e-camper. We got a lot of elements here, though. A lot of elements. Some people just come in here to hang out, not really showing stuff off. So we'll go ahead and do some video on the ones that people are showing stuff off on. And then we'll do kind of just talk to some people too. Work out really cool. Beautiful. Oh, look at it. We're extending. We're overextending onto the other parking lot. Very cool. There's another red one. There's only 2 red ones here, guys. Got some black and some green ones here. So let's go ahead and go around and let's just check out some elements. There's another rally red over here with the e-camper. This is essentially what mine would look like. I really like the those wheels. They're kind of cool. Different than mine for sure. Very nice. Clean. Love it. Yeah, it looks just same color as mine. Let's get this side. I'm gonna get a shadow though from my body though. Very clean looking. I like that a lot. That looks cool. All right, so everyone's just kind of hanging out and talking. There's a lot going on. It's actually really good meetup. Lots of cards here. Made a lot of good people that are in the element community, and everyone's just really chill. So having a good time. The plan is to kind of hang out. So this is like gone. I know a lot of these people are going to go camping somewhere up in Aptos, I think, which is just a little bit south of here. My plan is to probably go find somewhere on the coast to camp, like right on the cliff of Santa Cruz. So I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about it, but I'll figure it out. Kind of maybe either go have dinner and then go find somewhere to camp overnight. So we'll kind of see. We'll see what happens. But for now, just kind of chilling out and enjoying hanging out. Alright guys, so change of plans. I was going to boondock somewhere in Santa Cruz, but I get invited to go ahead and camp out with all these guys tonight somewhere. I think they're camping in Aptos. So I'm going to jump in this line and we're going to caravan to this campsite. Should be pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to jump in here now. There's a couple cars over here. Jump in right here. So yeah, these are all great people. I made a lot of good friends today, so I'm really happy I came. It was a lot of fun, and the night's just gonna keep going. All right, so I'm gonna close out this video here for the meetup. It was a really fun day. So hope I got some cool shots for you guys. I tried to get some good B-roll, you know, stuff going for you. But yeah, we're gonna head out now, and I'm gonna start a new video tonight at the campo. See you guys later.